If you run a pet store, this video is for you. Here are 3 unique features we offer to help you save time and hopefully make more money. The first one is how easy it is to add a product into our system. All you need to do is jump into your product screen here. So into my stock screen, I hit the add option to add a new product in. Now, the first thing it needs is a product's barcode. I've cheated a little bit. I just found a barcode of a product on Google and I've just pasted that in there. So as soon as I put that barcode in, our system looks online and it knows that's a Kong biscuit ball dog toy. If I continue through, I can add that into a department and a category. So I'm just going to put it into dog. I'm going to give it a price. I'm going to say it costs $10. Based on my margin, it wants me to sell it for 22. That's all fine. I can continue through. Now, a couple of cool things our system also does, if I hit images, it's automatically put a picture in against that product. I didn't have to go and load that. If I continue through, if I want to sell this online as well, all I've got to do is check that web store item box. And I've got an option here for a web description. I could sit here and write something on this product, or if I click there, it's got a bit of a blurb. I'm just going to go to my home page and hit generate AI. That will use AI to rewrite that description for me, clean that up, and I've had to do very little work to get that product ready to sell it online. So I'll just keep that. Yep, there we go. So you can see there, that's written that description for me. So I can simply save that and finish, and I've added that product into my system. So that's in my database, so I can now sell that in store. It's listed on my website because I've got it checked as a web store item, and it's done all of that for me in a really, really quick process. The next feature I wanted to show you is the stock item blog post tool. So if you are trying to get your business ready to go online and you want to have customers find your website, key to that is creating information on your website. So through this facility, you can come in and I can add a new blog post on the bottom here. So I'm going to hit add new, and I'm going to add my, let's go with the toy I just added in. So the Kong biscuit ball. You can see there it's got the image. It's got some text over here on the left. That's what it's going to use to help write my blog post. Now, I could sit here and write it all myself. I can set the date I want it to be published, or I can do it really quick and easy, and I can just hit generate blog post. And again, that will use AI. It'll use these rules I've got over here on the left, and that's going to write a blog post on this product for me. You can set your publish date, you can set your author. So if you can simply jump in once a week, you might do 5 blog posts, one for each day throughout the week, and that will schedule those and load them on for me. So I can just save that and done. So I'm creating content in a matter of seconds. The last feature I wanted to show you today, and by all means reach out to us if you want a full demonstration on how our system works, but the last thing I wanted to show you today was when it comes to loading invoices into the system, you no longer need to sit there and key in each single item you're receiving. You can simply come into invoice arrivals. We've now created AI import. So again, this is still on that the AI functionality we offer. I can come in here and I can select a file. So I've got one in here, a pet invoice. I can see the invoice here on the left. So there's the products that are on it. All I've got to do, select that invoice and hit analyze. Our system will then use AI to read this invoice and preload the information here on the right. Now, this invoice only has 3 items on it, but whether it had 3 or 1,000, it's still going to analyze that. We'll give it a quick second to finish reading it, and that will then put it all on the side here for me. There we go. So you can see there it's loaded those products in, and I can simply go through and change these descriptions, make sure my pricing is correct, check off my totals. I can see there's my ex-GST total. They've matched up, so I could simply save that in. So they're 3 really quick features. If you want to know more about our system, by all means, reach out to us via sales@towersystems.com.au or call us, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.